Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all post-marriage diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs quickly. Post-marriage weight gain is real. Late night outings, late dinners, sweets, no routine or less routine. But don't worry, I'll be sharing with you the most practical, husband-friendly, Indian and sustainable weight loss plan. No crash diets, no starvation. This plan is designed for hormonal imbalances, fat loss, busy lifestyle, and eating normal gaga khana. So recently, my lots of clients followed this type of diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see a great weight loss happening. And so can you. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. And we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without delay, let's get started with post-marriage diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs quickly. Starting with the morning routine, that is early morning drink is one of the major things which you should definitely make sure to follow because it's diuretic in nature, helps you with water retention, swelling and bloating of any kind, reduce it well, and great for your weight loss also. The first thing that I always tell my clients to have as soon as they wake up is this early morning drink. First option is you can have lemon chia water. All you have to do is in a glass of lukewarm water, add half a lemon squeezed. To this I'm adding here chia seeds, approximately 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Mixing it well, wait for 4 minutes or 5 minutes before consuming it so the chia seeds swell, and consume this drink for your early morning drink. Great for detoxification because of lemon properties and vitamin C, great for skin benefits and great for constipation as well. Second option, if you cannot have this and you can always consume, the best option out of there is ajwain jeera water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of jeera in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Boil it well and have it empty stomach. It really is amazing for your hormonal imbalances, PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, diabetes, and great for weight loss also. So do try out these options for your early morning drink and do not skip your early morning drink. And now we proceed towards our breakfast options. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options out there which are again high in protein, low in calories and great for weight loss in every way possible. Easy to prepare, normal khana and very easy to cook as well. So the first option is if you are an vegetarian and can have eggs, so you can definitely consume eggs for your breakfast. The first option is you can have veggie omelette or paneer omelette. Make sure to have lots and lots of veggies added to it. You can add zucchini, mushrooms, capsicum, bell peppers, onion, tomato, avocado as well as per your own choice, and prepare a good omelette out of it. Along with that, you can have black tea or black coffee as per your own choice. Make slight changes and not major changes. You can always skip adding any kind of sugar or milk to your tea or coffee and see the magic happening of fat loss. Second option is if you cannot have this for your eggs, you can always have boiled eggs as per your own choice, or you can even have scrambled eggs as per your own choice. So you can definitely prepare these options for your breakfast. And now we proceed towards the second option. Second option is for all of those who cannot have eggs, then you can definitely choose a healthy option out there in a vegetarian form. So you can have besan chila or moong dal chila. 2 moong dal chila or 2 besan chila are equivalent to great amount of protein, fiber intake and great for low carbohydrates breakfast option. Along with that, you can have of course black tea, black coffee as per your own choice, or you can even have simple and yet again paneer bhurji along with it for more amount of protein. Approximately you can have 80 to 90 grams of paneer bhurji with your moong dal chila or with your besan chila to give you a good amount of more protein intake and lesser carbohydrates and get fulfillment throughout it. And third option is for all of those who cannot have these options, then you can definitely consume oats upma. Oats upma is basically oats porridge. Oats upma is more like an oats masala oats or oats porridge. As per your own choice, you can have it, prepare it in a very healthy form with adding lots and lots of vegetables seasonally available like bell peppers, capsicum, carrot, mushrooms. You can add lots and lots of it and prepare a good healthy veggie oats recipe for your weight loss. Along with that, you can have again of course as per your own choice black tea or black coffee or green tea as well in place of that. And now we proceed towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume one seasonal fruit of your own choice. I prefer to give my clients any seasonal fruit, be it apple, orange, half a banana or 1 banana also you can have. Along with that, always make sure to have a cup of green tea peppermint tea, or any kind of herbal tea. It really helps to boost your metabolism and great for weight loss as well. And now we proceed towards our lunch option for this diet plan. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2-3 options out there: high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and great for weight loss again. But this time it will be, of course, unique options and fat loss oriented as well. So first option is for all of those who definitely get prepared a roti or sabzi, dal and rice at home. So we definitely have to pick the best option out of that itself. So I'll be giving you a quick fix to this. You can always choose to have limited number of carbohydrates in your balanced meal. How? Prefer more of dal, more of vegetables. Prefer to skip roti if possible, or if rice is made, then you can always take just 50 to 100 grams of cooked rice and not more than that. Prefer to eliminate rice or roti as much as possible, because trust me, you'll definitely feel good after not having too much of complex carbohydrates, and you won't even feel the need of it in future. So you can always skip it. Along with that, make sure your plate is fulfilled and completely stabilized with more amount of protein into it. So you can always saute approximately 100 grams of paneer along with your dal or sabzi, whatever is made at your home. Along with that, always fulfill your plate with lots and lots of salad. Make sure you cut your own salad separately with 1 cucumber, 1 whole tomato, some onion, and at the same time lots and lots of lettuce also. It gives you a good amount of fiber. So always make sure to fulfill your plate with more amount of proteins, less carbohydrates, more fiber intake, and great for your weight loss. Proceeding towards the second option. If you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always switch to have homemade brown rice pulao. Now my clients love having this pulao because it's again easy to prepare. Pulao because rice is definitely there and great for your weight loss also. My clients have seen tremendous weight loss happening with these recipes out there. Along with that, always make sure to consume lots and lots of salad and curd along with that for that. Now we proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. If you feel hunger pangs during this time, the best thing for you to consume would be black tea, black coffee, peppermint tea, herbal tea of any kind, or simply ajwain jeera water. We are looking for a good amount of weight loss here, so we need to have more of our herbal teas, more of our detox teas to promote good amount of weight loss happening. If you feel like munching something, then the best option for you would be to consume simple 30 grams of roasted makhanas. Do not add any kind of salt or sugar to it at all of any kind, no masalas as well. Just simply microwave your makhanas for 30 seconds and they're good to have for your mid-evening snack. And now we proceed towards our dinner options. Dinner is one of my favorite times to consume the most weight loss oriented meals, and my clients love having these because they definitely see a number going lower the next day. The first option is for dinner you can have is, of course, my personal favorite, paneer tikka or soya tikka or chicken tikka, along with lots and lots of stir fry vegetables. I've also shared a recipe on my channel which is definitely a paneer stir fry. You don't need to prepare any kind of marination for this, and simply just enjoy your high fiber and high protein meal. Complete recipe is shared here, you can watch it out. Along with that, I also like to add some Greek yogurt over it because it gives a good taste and, trust me, very low in carbohydrates. Second option is if you cannot have this because of any reason and you want to have something which is homemade in nature, so you can definitely have simple bowl of dal if it's prepared every day at your home. Prefer having yellow dal or yellow moong dal, which is low in carbohydrates and great for your weight loss. Very light in nature also, so you can have it every day. Yellow moong dal, along with that you can have bowl of dahi or bowl of curd or bowl of yogurt. Along with that you can also have full plate of salad. It satiates you really well and you will not feel hunger pangs throughout your night as well. So do try out these options for your dinner, and always make sure to have your bedtime drink. Bedtime drink is one of the most successful things that you can have for your entire weight loss journey. It really promotes your weight loss. It also helps you with your digestion issues and also with your gut health, and definitely works amazingly well if you are suffering from any kind of constipation or even dealing with stress levels. It helps you to relieve that also. I'm talking about a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Great for stress levels, great for cortisol levels, great for your hormonal imbalances also. If you cannot have this, then you can always switch to have a normal simple green tea. It also satiates the same amount of properties in it, but definitely green antioxidants too. So do try out these options for your meals, and with this diet plan, always make sure to have at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water that will fail to help you with your weight loss benefits, hydration benefits, and great for your skin benefits as well. And if you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522. and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query on any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients reduce weight every single day. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well, where I upload my postpartum weight loss journey, how my clients reduce weight, and lots of healthy recipes as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.